This air-conditioned outdoor LCD display features an integrated design with a high-brightness light box at the top, creating a striking and eye-catching appearance that immediately attracts the attention of passers-by. The product incorporates a built-in air conditioning system with automatic temperature control, effectively ensuring stable operation of the screen under complex outdoor conditions. It features a 65-inch 3500 nit high-definition display panel, delivering realistic and detailed image quality. The entire unit is constructed with an aluminum structure, featuring waterproof, dustproof, and corrosion-resistant design, making it suitable for various outdoor installation environments. It is easy to maintain and has a long service life. It is also equipped with an intelligent operation and maintenance management system, enabling remote monitoring, status detection, fault warning, and centralized management, significantly reducing maintenance costs and improving operational efficiency. This product is widely applicable to commercial advertising displays, public information dissemination, shopping malls, and street outdoor advertising, making it a professional outdoor display solution that combines stability, visual impact, and practicality.